Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add effects to your pictures such as a glitch, urban, light effects, vignette and so on the Photoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the home button down below, which is the first option. After that, click on edit photo in the start creating section that you can find at the top of the screen. Then click on a photo that you want to edit. Now slide to the right side of the screen until you find the effects button, so tap on it. As you can see, you have a bunch of effects that you can apply to your picture, such as the glitch. And you can select from these preset options down below. You have a vast variety of options that you can choose from. If you have found the right one that you want to use, you can even adjust it by the help of this scale down below. After that, if you go back, you can check out the other functions such as the urban. You have also a bunch of preset options that you can use and further adjust it by the help of this scale down below. You can also check out the light FX option, duo, the vignette, where you can adjust the brightness, corner and blur. Moreover, you have the sketch function. You have preset options in this function as well, and you can also use the scale. If you are satisfied with your result, tap on the check mark icon down below to save your changes. So that's how you can apply these various effects to your picture. That was it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.